Friend got banned for one day. My friend named Dragon. One day I see him playing phone at his house, and I said, "Want to be friends?" And he said, "Yes." One about not my friend, but he's about him. He not told that me. And we happy to friend, but one day he got banned by new creator of Roblox named David Baszucki. The new creator, but the old creator was die, and David Baszucki is the new creator of Roblox. But my friend is got deleted by his account, and he create new account, and he make a new he create a avatar, and we happy to see again, and we playing Project Smash practice at private server. Private server Project Smash is no money if you just kill a people at Project Smash. But Jared was got banned for one day because he's bully at because he bully him. And he got banned, and he wait for 3 days to not to back his account, and one day he got back. And that's how he lost. But you want to part 2? Okay, let's make it. So part 2, he just making video of Roblox, and he's just escaped at me, but he got disconnected, and he got banned, and he not online now. And that's the end of part 2. Bye.